Concentrol is a family company founded in Las Planas, Girona. With over 80 years of experience, we keep our essence alive. We continue to exceed our customers' expectations and look to the future with confidence. In 1968, Josep Gardia-Rodà, a visionary ahead of his time, created the basis of what is now Concentrol. Today, his family continues this ambitious business project. Our four main areas of activity, performance materials, food processing aids, additives and adhesives, enable us to serve a wide range of companies that are leaders in their industrial sectors. The continuous improvement is the foundation of our work, with large investments into research and development and the professional and personal development of our dedicated employees. The preservation of the environment, the social responsibility and the active involvement in society form part of our fundamental principles. Our highly specialized team works in our constantly updated facilities in compliance with the highest safety regulations to manufacture products of the highest quality. We work in laboratories with advanced technological equipment, and we actively collaborate with various technology centers and universities. Performance materials. It is the division with the highest level of specialization and internationalization. In this division, the most outstanding products are release agents for polyurethane foam, silicone stabilizers or surfactants, and other auxiliary products. The release agents for polyurethane are one of the star products for this division. Concentrol now forms part of the exclusive group of leading companies in this sector. The key to Concentrol's success is our focus on continuous internationalization, which has enabled us to be present today with our four divisions in more than 80 countries. Following our expansion strategy, we established a subsidiary and technology center in China and a subsidiary in the United States of America to serve our clients in these important geographical areas directly. Our extensive network of partners and licensees ensures that we are always close to our clients. This enables us to communicate with and support clients daily, while reinforcing and solidifying our relationships for shared success and sustainable growth. We view the world as our market, and our corporate strategy is based on enthusiasm and optimism. Concentrol, commitment to excellence.